A lot of people ask me, how's my gas mileage? Well, let's find out together. Let's find out how's my gas mileage for a week, because that's how long it takes for me to empty the gas tank on that thing. Yep, just a week. Let's find out. Package secured. Good boy. This is from fueleconomy.gov, and it rates my Challenger, which is a 2018 Dodge Challenger with 6.4 liter manual transmission, combined of 17 miles per gallon, which is 14 city and 23 highway. I've been driving the car since last week that I filled it up every single day to work and back. I get out of the house, I have a stop sign, make a left turn. Then I have another stop sign, make a right turn. Then I have another stop sign, make a left turn. And then I have a red light, which makes me sit for a couple minutes. So the car is idling. When the light goes green, I gotta make a left. Then I have one red light, two red lights. And then after that, I can cruise in fifth gear, which then my car tells me that I'm getting an average of 28 to 35. Then I have another red light and another one. Then I can get to the sixth gear, and then the car tells me I'm getting an average of 40 miles per gallon. On a ramp, make a right turn, then another right turn, then a little twisty road until I get to the stop sign, make a left turn, then make a right turn, another right turn, and then park my car in front of the office. And that's the 6.2 miles of travel. Do the same thing going back home. Sometimes I take back roads to go home, which gives me like a couple more miles, so I get like 7 to 8 miles when I get home. So that is the normal daily routine. Sometimes I go places. For example, this past week I went to Tyson's Corner, which is almost 18 miles away, and then my car was idling. It was a couple of red lights, and I met up with a friend of mine, took some photos, and then car was idling there, and then coming back home, another 17 miles. So it's always this extra couple 10-20 miles that I put on the car every week. So the light came on today, and I had to fill it up again. The car gave me a 200 mile, an average of 12.2. So if I'm doing a partial highway and a partial city drive, I'm getting 12.2. This is just, yep. But the point is that when I got the Challenger, I went with the big engine option, and I knew what I'm putting myself into. I signed up for it, as people say. It doesn't matter how many miles per gallon it takes. I see it as like how many smiles it puts on my face. Side note, I've got more gas mileage out of this before. Like when I go to like road trips, I always like reset it, and then when I cruise mostly in highways for a couple hours, it actually gives me 21 to 22 miles per gallon, which is pretty interesting. The manuals don't come with that four-cylinder cutoff option that the automatics have, so it's actually pretty interesting to see getting up to those higher numbers to low 20s, as you may say, with a manual car by just cruising in the sixth gear. Well, that's it for today. just want to like put this video out there to give you guys some honest thoughts about the numbers, about daily driving a manual Challenger. Well, gas prices are kind of low now, which is pretty nice, and sometimes it's just like it's too much, you know. It's almost like $50 a tank sometimes, especially in this area, Loudoun County, Virginia, one of the richest counties in the states. So it's pretty crazy. They go high up. I actually came to the office to record this because I needed to print that paper I showed you, and my printer at home decided to run out of ink, so I had to come to the office. It's actually pretty convenient. It's like 10-12 minutes drive every now and then, depending on how the traffic is. So yeah, I think that machine is ready. Give me a second, let me make myself a coffee real quick. Now, you can't come to the office and not get yourself a coffee. Anyway, hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and share this video with your friends. And I say a lot of ands and ahs. I'm sorry about it. It's kind of like my thing, I guess. I don't know. Please turn on your notification bell. I upload 2 videos a week. My coffee's getting ready. And with that note, that sounds, yeah. And on that note, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Getting that coffee right now. Smells so good.